Good morning once again. This is JMS Plumbing and General Contracting. My name is Adam, and we're doing a sewer video inspection from this access point that we're here. And we just got done through 6-inch clay piping. And we're going to insert the video camera through the pipe so we can look at the outcome. Go ahead. Put it through there. Okay, this is what we should have done is done a prior video inspection before the roots. We had a little bit of roots here. We removed them all, and the pipe looks really clean at this point. That's our jetter nozzle that we looked at. That's just leftover little piece of roots that were left in the line. And here, what we're coming upon, it's a big branch. Keep going. A big branch that's in the sewer pipe, and it's quite a bit long. This is one that we couldn't get, and the size of the branch here, it's roughly about an inch thick, and it has penetrated the sewer pipe, broken it up. Push it a little bit forward, Eric, and a little bit more. This go all the way to the main. We're doing camera from the main back. Okay. Here, what we're looking at, this is the main city channel, and as you can see there, we're looking at the connection, and the connection is actually broken. As you can see, there's a big crack in it. Once this crack, if these roots continue to grow in there, which they are going to grow more aggressively now that we cut them out. This joint is really critical, because if this joint collapses, what's going to happen is that there's not going to be any sewer drainage, and this is the main joint to the city, to tie into the city channel. And once this collapses, we would have to end up digging up the street. But what we do have, it's a liner system which we can prevent this from happening. And if you'd like to know a little bit more about what the liner is, just go ahead and ask Joseph, and he will let you know exactly what a liner is. And we can actually cover up these cracks here with this resin epoxy and hold it in place. So we're going to camera from here on back, and as you can see, the cracks are just all over that connection point. And this shift right here that we're looking at, push it in just a little bit. This shift right here, this is a lip where the ground is moving already, and it's shifting the pipe over. So this is about an 1.5 inch lip on there, so it's just dislocated the pipe. So that's why the connection point is broken. And just push it in one more, push it in a little bit more. There you go. And as you can see on the bottom, you see that crack again right there. That joint is really, it's got a lot of tension on it because of the ground movement. Not only that, but because they got a big root growing up in between the connection, and this is just pushing up the pipe against the other ones. So this is one that we can't get out. So what we're going to try to do is mechanically remove it. But if that does not work, then the next step would be having to, if this root if you guys want it removed, then we have to dig up the street. So, and that would be an additional cost. But as far as this goes here, we're just showing you what's there. Push a little bit forward. Yeah, just every single joint right there. That one's broken. As you can see, we've got root penetration into the pipe. But as far as the rest of the joints, they look pretty good. It's just the main saddle connection to the city channel. Push it in forward more. Here we had some roots. See that little piece? I just push it in a little bit more. That was just a little leftover piece that was cut out. Alright. jetter nozzle's at, and that's just leftover roots that we had from. So this is all nice and clean. All right, now, Eric, push it up on the new pipe that we have there. Show me the new pipe. Kind of like move it around. That's the new trenchless pipe that we put in through the underneath the walkway here, the steps down to the driveway. If you're facing the house, it's towards the left, and then we got another one towards the right. So we're gonna push it up to the one towards the left. Go ahead and push it up. Put it in through the pipe. See, as you can see, this is all plastic pipe. No joints. Keep pushing. Keep going. And we're gonna come up on the other side. Joe, why don't you go over there on the other side and show your face? That way they know you're gonna be on video. All right, we got some light there. Okay, there you go. We're coming up a little bit more. All right. So go ahead and grab the camera and just show your face. Oh, there you go. So all that we seen was all brand new piping, and this here is just all brand new. No roots, no joints, one continuous pipe. We're going to do the same process to the one going towards the right hand side, and that's pretty much what it's going to look like. Alright, well, this will conclude our sewer video inspection, and thank you for watching.